Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make this sweet and crunchy coconut chin chin. Please stay back and watch to the end. We will begin by breaking our coconut, then collect the water into a cup. At this point I'm going to remove the coconut flesh, wash it, scrape the back, and I will grate it. After grating it, I'm going to blend it, and that is what we are going to use for our chin chin. Here is the coconut water for blending. And this chin chin that we are going to make today, will be needing 6 cups of flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour. Please don't forget to sift your flour before use, because at times you can find some particles which are not needed in the flour, and if you don't sieve it, you end up consuming such thing, and you do not want to do that. After sieving these 3 cups of flour, then I will measure the remaining 3 and then sieve. Festive period is here, and I know you love chin chin in your house at this time of the season. If you are here watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, also drop your comment and share with friends. Add powder milk flavor. And this is the milk flavor I'll be using. You can use any type of flavor you found around you. Add a teaspoon of salt, half cup of sugar, add a teaspoon of nutmeg, and this is going to add that aroma to your chin chin. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix all the dry ingredients very well. This chin chin is not just like the regular chin chin you used to know. This chin chin is just unique. You can make this for your family, and you can also make it for business. Add butter or margarine and mix well. I'm going to put the measurement of all the recipe in the description box. So I'm using 200 grams of margarine. You have to mix it well. Probably you rub it in between your 2 palms until it becomes smooth and nicely mixed. This is a very simple and easy recipe chin chin. You do not want to miss this chin chin at this festive period. Try it, and I know you are going to love it. I'm done mixing it. Make a well in the middle and break in your 2 eggs. This is where the magic lies. Pour in your blended coconut. I didn't sieve it. You just need to blend your coconut smooth and nice, and that's all. And then mix everything up properly. You might even choose to use your grater. If you can grate it very thinly, you pour it directly, you still get a beautiful outcome of chin chin. Now I'm done mixing it. This is what we need. Your dough should look this way, not too hard and not too soft. You might choose to sprinkle some flour on the working space to avoid dough from sticking on the table, and then start rolling it out. I have to cut it into 3 because I can't roll everything at once. My working space is not that big to roll everything at once, but if you have a very big working space, why not roll everything at once? While I was rolling it, I quickly put my pan on a medium heat and added my oil, so that immediately I'm done cutting the chin chin, I'll start frying. So you might want to do that as well. We are going to leave it to continue heating while we continue with our rolling. So I'm going to cut it out with pizza cutter. If you don't have pizza cutter, you can use knife. You can roll it out flat or thick, but I prefer my own this way. I like it thick. We keep dancing that same dance, so tell me you are falling the same way. I fall in love with you every single day. Now that I'm done cutting it into my desired sizes, the next thing is to start frying. But before then, I have to find a way of removing them from the surface carefully to avoid sticking to each other. Pour it into the oil and stir. Make sure you continue stirring as you are frying to avoid it from burning. Make sure you continue stirring as you are frying, and you have to be doing this until it is done. I like my own chin chin golden brown, and at this point I think I'm okay. I'm going to bring it down from the heat. Don't let it to be too dark because it might become darker later, and this is my desired color. I like it golden brown, and I'm going to take it off from the heat. This is the best chin chin I've ever made since I have known how to make chin chin. Try this particular method with coconuts, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Thanks for watching, and see you some other time in my next video. But before then, look at the outcome. You can package it for business, and look at Christmas is coming. Just have this in your house. You enjoy it, and you can also use it to entertain your visitors, and all the family around you will like to have this as snacks in this festive period. Thank you so much. Bye bye.